Hey guys, how you doing? So I just feel we need to review some composition of functions notation. All right, I may have gone a bit too fast, and I'd like to review some of it here for this video. But the main point we're going to talk about is inverse functions. We won't spend too much time on composition of functions. All right. So composition of functions, basically, the main idea is you are plugging in a function, right? Plugging in function into a function, right? So, for example, if I have f of x, right, equals 2x plus 3. This is an example that I've got from the sky, all right? If I want to get the value of x at a particular x value, let's say x equals 1, this means I have to replace 1 everywhere I see x, right? 1 plus 3, right? And then it's going to be f of 1 equals 2 plus 3, going to be equal to 5, right? So what you see here is that replacement of 1 everywhere you see x, all right? That replacement of 1 everywhere you see x. So when it comes to composition of function, instead of replacing a number, instead of replacing x with a number, you are replacing x with another function, right? So if I have two functions here, for example, I have my f of x equals 2x plus 3, and I got my g of x, it's going to be equal to, let's say, 2x squared, yeah? So if I say this, f of g of x, right? This is the same thing as saying f of g of x, right? But the main thing to notice here is that we are plugging in a g of x where we'd normally put our x. Remember from the first term, we said the x is the input, right? And then the f is the output, all right? So the main goal here is really to replace our input with, instead of a number, our input is a function. So let me carry on with this example, right? So we're going to have f of x equals 2x plus 3, right? But we want to replace it. Now what we really want is f of g of x, right? So I look for, actually, let me write the g of x in a different color. Yeah. What I'm going to do here is look for g of x is, I'm gonna, sorry, apologies, I'm going doing a few run along sentences. Okay, so I really want to find f of g of x, all right? So I have to literally replace x with g of x, right? So x is going to be there. Instead of x, I have g of x, right? Plus 3, yeah? So I've highlighted the g of x just to show you the substitution. We had x in the previous example. Now we have g of x in the next example, all right? So f of g of x is going to be, if I expand this, right? What's g of x equal to? G of x is equal to 2x squared, right? The g of x doesn't come from the sky. I give you the values, I give you the functions, I give you the expressions of both functions, right? And then what you're going to get in the end is 2x squared plus 3. Then all you got to do is simplify. You're going to have 4x squared plus 3. And that's how you do it, right? You are given a function outside, and then you apply it to, you plug the function inside to the function outside, all right? That's basically how you do it. I hope this helped, and yeah, we will definitely get more practicing in class.